Welcome to WealthWalk, your guide to innovative online income strategies. Today, we're exploring an intriguing method to earn money using a tool you likely use every day: Google Translate. Imagine turning your typing skills into a steady income stream, potentially earning up to $190 daily. Sounds interesting, right? Let's dive into this simple yet effective technique. First, let's talk about the power of Google Translate. This free tool isn't just for understanding foreign languages, it can be a gateway to online earnings. Using it is straightforward. Choose your source and target languages, type in your text, and voila, instant translation. But how does this translate into money? Stay with us, and we'll show you. Our journey begins at a popular CPA, Cost Per Action network. Head to their website and click the register button to create your account. You'll need a Skype ID for this process, which you can easily set up for free on Skype's official site. When registering, pay close attention to the terms and conditions. It's crucial to understand that self-completion of offers or using proxies, VPNs, or bots for lead generation is strictly prohibited. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard showcasing global earnings from users of the platform. This gives you an idea of the worldwide potential for income generation. The next step is to navigate to the Offer Tools section and select My Offers. Here's where things get exciting. The platform will display offers available in your country based on your location. For instance, if you're in the United States, you might find opportunities to earn anywhere from 40 cents to $3 per lead. This means every time someone completes an offer through your unique affiliate link, you earn money. With substantial traffic, this method can yield significant returns. However, the real goldmine lies in targeting specific countries with higher-paying offers. Take Spain, for example. Offers there can pay up to $19 per lead, a substantial increase from the US rates. Why such a difference? It's all about supply and demand. Fewer people target these countries for income generation, so companies offer more attractive deals to incentivize participation. This principle extends beyond Spain to other countries as well. Each market has its own unique characteristics and opportunities. For example, in Australia, you might find offers related to local services or products that pay handsomely due to the country's robust economy and high consumer spending. Switzerland, known for its financial services and luxury goods, could offer lucrative opportunities in these sectors. Brazil and Mexico, with their large and growing online populations, might present chances to promote digital products or mobile services at attractive rates. It's important to note that these higher-paying offers often come with their own challenges. They may require more specific targeting or have stricter conversion criteria. However, the potential rewards can make the extra effort worthwhile. By diversifying your offer portfolio across different countries, you can also mitigate risk and potentially smooth out your earnings over time. Remember, the key to success in this method is not just finding high-paying offers, but also understanding the local market and tailoring your approach accordingly. This is where your research skills and creativity come into play. Use tools like Google Trends or social media insights to gauge interest in different products or services in your target countries. This information can help you choose the most promising offers and craft more effective promotional strategies. Don't limit yourself to Spain, though. Explore offers in countries like Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, and Mexico. Each of these markets has unique opportunities with potentially high payouts due to lower competition. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't speak these languages. That's where our trusty friend Google Translate comes back into play. Use Google Translate to understand offer details in foreign languages. This allows you to create compelling, accurate marketing materials for audiences speaking different languages. It's like having a multilingual marketing team at your fingertips. Now, let's get your affiliate link. Select Spain and its associated countries from the available options. Click on the Payout button to reveal the most lucrative offers for the Spanish region. Choose an offer that aligns with your goals. We recommend going for the $19 offer to maximize your earnings. Since most of us aren't fluent in Spanish, use Google Translate to convert the offer details into English. Copy the headline and subheading, paste them into Google Translate, and you'll instantly understand what you're promoting. For example, an offer might be about accessing movies or entertainment services. Before promoting your offer, select a tracking domain, preferably a new one to avoid potential bans. Copy your unique affiliate link, as we'll need it for the next step. Next, we'll introduce you to a website that pays you for link clicks, without the need to generate leads or sell products. On this platform, you can earn money every time someone clicks your link. For instance, you could potentially earn $20 for every 1,000 views from certain countries. Create an account on this link shortening platform. Once logged in, click New Shorten Link, paste your CPA affiliate link, and click Shorten. This generates a unique link for promoting your CPA offer. Each time someone visits the offer through this link, you'll earn a certain amount, and if they sign up, you'll earn that additional $19. Now, let's create a simple landing page using Google Sites, a free service that allows you to build websites at no cost. Start by removing the header from the site template. Then, copy the headline of your CPA offer and paste it into a text box on your Google site. Customize the text size, color, and make it bold for visual appeal. Next, save the image from your CPA offer and upload it to your Google site. Center the image on your page. Use Google Translate to convert a call to action phrase like, "Click here to get free access to movies" into Spanish. Create buttons with this translated text, placing one above and one below your image. For the button links, use your shortened link from the previous step. Once your Google site is ready, publish it and copy the link to your new website. For our final step, we'll use a social media website with over 1.3 million monthly visitors to promote your page. Create an account on this platform, log in, and add your Google site as a web page. When visitors see your page on this platform, they'll be enticed by the offer of free movie access and are likely to visit your site. Each time someone signs up for the offer through your link, you'll earn passive income from both the CPA network and the link shortening platform. This method has the potential to earn you up to $190 a day, all by leveraging Google Translate and a bit of strategic thinking. Remember, success in online income generation often requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. While this method has potential, results may vary based on factors like offer availability, audience engagement, and market conditions. We hope you found this WealthWalk guide helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on more innovative money-making methods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We're always open to hearing your thoughts and suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us on this Wealth Walk. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, this is Wealth Walk, guiding you towards smarter online earnings.